Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Walker TV not connecting or not connected to Wi-Fi. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access the Wi-Fi or network settings. Now start by grabbing your remote and going into your settings menu on your Walker TV. Look for options labeled as network or Wi-Fi or internet. Now once you're there, select the option to connect to a wireless network, and this is where your TV detects nearby Wi-Fi signals. Now from then on, you want to choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the correct password. Now be sure to type it correctly here or exactly the passwords are. In this case, they are case sensitive and even small typos can block the connection. Now if you're unsure, check the label on your router or ask whoever set up your Wi-Fi. Now, from then on, you want to start the TV's Wi-Fi connection as well. Sometimes the problem is just a temporary glitch here, so you want to go back to your Wi-Fi menu or on your TV, turn off the Wi-Fi and wait for about 30 to 6 seconds or at least 1 minute here, and then turn it back on. Now, this actually refreshes the Wi-Fi module and can help the TV reconnect properly. Now also restart your router here or check your internet. Now, if your TV still won't connect here, the issue might be with your internet, so not the TV. Try restarting your router and modem, unplug them from power, and wait for about like 1 to 2 minutes, then plug them back in. Now wait a few minutes for them to fully restart. Also check if your phone or other device can connect to Wi-Fi. If not, the router may be the issue. And next is you want to update your TV software or firmware here. Now, outdated software can sometimes cause Wi-Fi problems, so go to Settings, About, Software, Update, or a similar menu here depending on the model. Now, if there's an update available, follow the on-screen steps to install it. Now, this can improve performance and fix connectivity bugs. Now, if none of this actually work, the last thing that you could try doing here is to contact Walker TV support. Now, in this case, it might be a deeper hardware or configuration issue here. So the best move here is to contact Walker's customer support. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or let you know if your TV needs to repair or replacement, replacement here if it's still under warranty. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.